guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't seen my videos before, welcome, and also subscribe my channel before we're gonna start. So today we have a little project. I live in East London. We are renting. We have changed quite a lot in the house. So today's video is sponsored by Desenio, and I'm so excited because I wanted to try them print so long time. But first of all, you need your laptop or phone straight to Desenio website, and let's check what they have. So our house is inspired by Scandinavian farmhouse and also the tropical vibe. I will go straight in a vintage category because I like vintage print, graphics, illustrational pictures. So we want to match something with our background as the wallpaper is botanical theme. I love this print straight away. So let's take this one, and also let's take something for Middle Eastern patterns. So today we're gonna just order everything from the Scandinavian brand. So we have H&M and Desenio. And guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do so now so you be part of my gorgeous family here. And tick the bell button so you'll be notified every time I gonna upload any new videos. But now back to the video. Boudoir print, the vintage vibe, what I told, 30-40. The bigger one is 50-70. So let's bring the frames in. H&M packages, let's open them up. For opening any type of boxes, I have this type of little knife. You can get it from Amazon because you don't want to ruin your manicure. Hopefully the delivery man has been really careful. Black frame, Arabic style. And then the Big Daddy. Oh, they're in separate packs. Perfect. Light wood. This way or this way. I'm gonna open all of these boxes. You're gonna grab some drink because it's extremely hot. So I open all the frames, remove the first one, paper side, or you want to remove it, the acrylic glass, and that's how it's gonna look like. With this print, it's gonna cut it out as its own. Pull it off, place it in. So what I just noticed and learned, plastic thing is both sides. Slide in, so it's gonna keep your frame in place. And I really like their website. There were so many different prints. It was quite hard to choose which one to go with. All our furniture is like bamboo and light oak. Okay, like this and this. So now is the next step. And next step is to organize them, see which way they're gonna go, and we're gonna see you later. White framing on this one, beige framing on this one. How much plastic? Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I have a promo code for you guys as well, so you can get some amazing prints for your house. And thank you again of Desenio for sponsoring this video, and I will see you next time. Mwah.